Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Grammar Hub, your daily dose of simple and powerful English learning. Today we are going to learn something very important: conjunctions. These are small words, but they make a big difference in your English. If you don't use conjunctions, your sentences sound broken. I like tea. I like coffee. But with conjunctions, I like tea and coffee. Now that sound natural, right? So, today we are going to 12 essential conjunctions with clear examples and easy tricks. Let's begin. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins word, phrases, or sentences. Simple definition: conjunctions is equal to joining word. First, and. Additions. Use and to add information. For example, I like tea and coffee. In this sentence, we add information in this sentence. So we say this: I like tea and coffee. Let's learn more examples. She is kind and helpful. I bought fruits and vegetables. Think of and is equal to plus. Second conjunction, but. Use but to show contrast, means opposite ideas. For example, he is intelligent but lazy. Let's learn a more example. I want to go but I am busy. She is rich but unhappy. Tip: but is equal to opposite idea. Third is or, means choice. Use or when there is a choice. For example, you can take a taxi or a bus. More example: tea or coffee, stay here or come with me. Tip: or is equal to options. Let's learn a four conjunction. So means result. Use so to show result. For example, it was raining, so we stayed home. More examples: he was tired, so he slept. I was late, so I ran. So is equal to result or outcome. Now learn a fifth, because, means reason. Use because to give reason. For example, I was tired because I didn't sleep well. Let's learn more examples. She is happy because she passed. He left early because he was sick. Tip: because is equal to why. Now learn a sixth conjunction, although, means strong contrast. Use although for contrast, more formal than but. Let's learn an example. Although he was tired, he kept studying. Let's learn more examples. Although it was raining, we went out. Second example: although she is young, she is very smart. Tip: use at the beginning for strong effect. Seventh conjunction is if, means condition. If for conditions. For example, if you study hard, you will succeed. Let's learn more examples. If it rains, we will stay home. If you try, you can win. Tip: if is equal to condition. Now let's learn 8th conjunction since. Reason and time. Use since for reason or time. For example, since it was raining, we cancelled the picnic. Let's learn more examples. Since you are here, help me. I have lived here since 2020. Tip. Reason is equal to like because. Time from past. Ninth conjunction is unless. Use unless is equal to if not. For example, you will fail unless you work hard. Let's learn now more examples. Don't go unless I come. You won't pass unless you study. Tip. Unless is equal to negative condition. Let's learn 10th conjunction while. Use while for two actions at the same time. For example, while I was reading, my brother was sleeping. Let's learn more example. She was cooking while listening to music. He was taking while walking. Tip. While is equal to same time. Now let's learn 11th conjunction as. Reason. Use as to give reason similar to because. Example. As you are late, hurry up. Tip. As is equal to because. Simple. Now let's learn 12 conjunctions because of. Use because of before a noun. For example, the match was cancelled because of the rain. Tip. Because plus sentence. Because of plus noun. Quick revision. And is equal to addition, but, contrast or choice. So result, because, reason, although, strong contrast, if, condition, since, reason, time, unless, if not, while, same time, as, reason, because of, reason plus noun. If you use these conjunctions daily, your English will become smooth, natural, and fluent. If you found this lesson helpful, like this video, comment your favorite conjunctions, subscribe to English Grammar Hub. See you in the next